Unraveling the Fashion World, Understanding Ankle Booties. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fashionable world of footwear. Specifically, we'll explore ankle booties. These stylish shoes are not just a trend but a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Whether you're a seasoned fashionista or just looking to update your shoe game, this video will help you understand everything about ankle booties. Ankle booties, as the name suggests, are boots that reach the ankle. They are shorter than regular boots and come in various styles, materials, and heel heights. Distinct from traditional long boots, ankle booties offer both comfort and style, making them perfect for different seasons and occasions. We'll look at some popular styles and how they differ from other types of boots. One of the best things about ankle booties is their versatility. They can be dressed up or down, making them suitable for casual outings, work environments, or even formal events. In this section, we'll discuss how to pair ankle booties with different outfits, including jeans, skirts, and dresses, showcasing their adaptability in fashion. Picking the right ankle booties can be daunting with so many options available. We'll talk about how to choose the right style, material, and heel height for your needs and comfort. Whether you prefer leather or suede, a flat or a high heel, this section will guide you through making the best choice for your style and comfort. To keep your ankle booties looking great and lasting longer, proper care and maintenance are essential. Here, we'll share some tips and tricks for cleaning and storing your booties, so they remain a staple in your wardrobe for years to come. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what ankle booties are and how they can elevate your style. Remember, the right pair of booties can transform an outfit and boost your confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to experiment with your style and have fun with fashion.